The more you begin to investigate,
You gotta know when to hold, know when to fall, and know when to walk away, know when to run.
Yeah.
You never count your money.
Never.
You're sitting at the table, there'll be time enough to count it when the deal is done.
Thought I could make it all by myself. I thought that things would just fall into place, but now I need you. But I need you.
I am not afraid of creepy, crawly spiders or love. I am not afraid of being a woman, of being lonely, or not fitting into your perceptions, not afraid of my own reflection. There is method in my insanity and practice in these jazz symphonies I live each day, and somewhere in there is poetic outbursts there. So you call me painter, I'm painting my own Picassos each day, nursing rainbow colors of my soul on these pages with my pen stroke. There are golden reflective surfaces that cover the surface and have you seen behind my mask. I'm pulling Shakespearean tricks to remind you that I'm bigger than here and now. See, I am perfect, but not in the branded, commercialized, socialized, standardized measure of whatever. See, I am beautiful, white lily, ebony skin, dream moving in poetry in motion. I am flower bed of impatience, cocooned in silk fabrics of journal pages, and I stand tall behind these truths. I'm seeking broken fragments of me and mending them with the tapestry of this poetry, so when they ask you, and they will, who's that girl? Tell them it's Ray Lyric, woman of bravery, of tenacity, of integrity by my own standards, not just 2 arms, booty, and boobs. I am brains, the intellect of my grandmother's pearls of wisdom. And I picked up that hearts don't break evenly, but hearts do break easily. So yes, I will write my own rules. I script them beautiful as midnight summer full moon, scripted to my time. And it will take way more than sticks and stone cold words to see me cry. Way more than being bruised by your ego. More than empty words to break my spirit. I won't hide my voice. Don't shine my eyes. I am cool, calm, and collected between these bones. This is my stadium. Every time I pick up my pen, I put on my show clothes. It's fit to be a show. I am dancing to the rhythms of memoirs of strong women. I am the king of my queendom. I am dreamer, insomnia creative, that's scripting through these pages. And though these pages turn, I remain. I remain. Chiti kurama nawe. I will grow, I will sow, I will rise to greater heights. I will rise, I will grow, I will sow.
the more you begin to investigate,